Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows File Explorer crashes when right-clicking on Windows 11, 10. Open any browser. Type ShellView in browser search bar. Download and extract ShellView. Click Options, select Hide all Microsoft extensions. Extension name is displayed, disable extension. After disable extension, restart Windows Explorer. If more than one extension name is displayed, disable extension, restart Explorer and check right-click. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.